Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome, dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by His grace. I am Afroja Sultana, Assistant Teacher English, Kapashgola City Corporation Girls High School. Today, I have come here to take another class on EFT book of class 9 and 10. Now I am going to show you some photographs of some devices. You have to tell me which company is the producer of these products. Let's see the photographs. Look at the first photo. It's a picture of Macintosh PC. Then come to the second one. There are some photos of iPod. Then next, it's a photo of iPad. Come to another picture. There are some photos of iPhone. It's a logo. Can you tell me this logo belongs to which company? It's a logo of Apple. The name of the company is Apple Incorporated. And all the devices that you have seen here are produced by this company. Do you know who founded this company? There are some photographs of famous person. First one is Steve Jobs. Second one is Steve Wozniak. And the third one is the photo of Ronald Wayne. Among them, who is familiar to us as the co-founder of Apple? Do you know his name? Can anyone tell me his name? Yes, he is Stephen Paul Jobs, but he is known to the world by the name Steve Jobs. So today our lesson is The Wizard of Apple. It's in Unit 7 and the number of the lesson is also 7. Okay, before come to the text, let's see some new words. I have picked some keywords for you. Before the keywords, we have to know the learning outcomes of this lesson. So what is the learning outcomes of today's lesson? After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to ask and answer questions, read and understand text, tell the meaning of some important words. Now open your book and there are some keywords. The first word is co-founder. Co-founder means co-benefactor. Executive means managerial. Then the third word is consumer. Consumer means customer. Then interim means temporary. Profitability means advantage. Then come to the word verge. Verge means borderline. Bankruptcy means insolvency. Then come to the word turn around, means return. Perspective means aspect or view. Then acquire means obtain or get. Now dear students, open your book and read the text. The text is in page number 96. The section B. Start reading the text. Stephen Paul Jobs, most popularly known as Steve Jobs, was the co-founder, chairman, and chief executive officer of Apple Incorporated. He was the pioneer of the personal computer revolution. He was famous for his career in the electronic field of computers and consumers. This became possible through the marketing of Apple computers. There is a photograph of Jobs' early age. In 1985, Jobs left Apple after losing a power battle with the board of directors. He then founded NEXT, a computer platform development company specializing in the higher education and business market. Apple, however, failed to bring up any new operating system during Jobs' absence. Jobs returned to Apple as an advisor and took control of the company as an interim CEO. By 1998, Jobs brought back Apple to profitability from the verge of bankruptcy. He supervised the development of iMac, iTunes, iPod, iPhone, and iPad. These devices are so simple and user-friendly that even a child can operate them. He supervised the company's Apple stores, iTunes Store, and the App Store too. The success of these products and services brought about steady financial returns for several years and pushed Apple to become the world's most valuable publicly traded company in 2011. This triumph is regarded as the greatest turnaround in the business history. Steve Jobs has been highly acclaimed as a visionary leader. He has changed people's perspective towards the computer and how they use it, consume personal media, and how they communicate with each other. Hence, iBooks, iPhones, iPods, and iPads have become extremely popular. Jobs saw and felt the need of Wi-Fi, means wireless internet connection, in laptops. It is who made Wi-Fi a standard feature of every laptop and many other devices worldwide. So Jobs' dream to be anywhere, anytime became a reality. Jobs also co-founded and served as chief executive of Pixar Animation Studios. He became a member of the board of directors of the Walt Disney Company in 2006 when Disney acquired Pixar. Pixar is a animation studios. Okay, now here I have prepared some true or false question. I have collected from your book. You have to say whether the statement are true or false, and if false, you have to give the correct information. So come to the statement. What is the first sentence? The first statement is Jobs spent his entire career working for Apple. I think all of you know the answer. Yes, this statement is false. And what will be the correct statement? The correct statement will be yes, Jobs spent most of his career working for Apple. And come to number 2. He became famous because he knew how to market computers and keep the buyers happy. So is it true or false? Yes, it is true. So come to number 3. He became the chairman of the Walt Disney Company. Is it true or false? Yes, this statement is false. He became a member of the board of directors of the Walt Disney Company, not the chairman. He became a member of the board of directors. And what is the number 4? The number 4, Jobs left Apple in 2001. So, students, what do you think about this statement? Yes, this statement is also false. So, what will be the correct statement? The correct answer is Jobs left Apple in 1985. And question number 5 is Jobs was a visionary. What about this statement? Yes, this statement is true. Okay, now it is the time of evaluation. I have prepared some questions for you. Try to give answer of these questions. So question number 1 is, who was Steve Jobs? I think all of you can give the answer. Yes, Steve Jobs was the co-founder, chairman and chief executive officer of Apple Incorporated. The second question is, when did he leave Apple? So what will be the answer? You have to mention the year. Yes, he left Apple in 1985. Now come to question number 3. What was the cause behind his leaving? What do you think of that question? What was the cause behind his leaving? That means, why did he leave Apple? You know, he did not left Apple willingly. Yes, Jobs was forced out of Apple in 1985 after a long power struggle with the company's board. He was forced out. He did not leave Apple willingly. So the answer will be Jobs was forced out of Apple in 1985 after a long power struggle with the company's board. Then come to question number 4. When did he join Apple again? So what will be the answer? Yes, he joined Apple in 1998 as an interim CEO. Okay, then come to question number 5. This is the last question. When did Apple become the world's most valuable publicly trading company? So which year? Yes, Apple became the world's most valuable publicly traded company in the year 2011. Now write down your homework. You have to answer the question of this as your homework. Question number 1 is, write about Jobs' successful career. Number 2, what does power battle mean? Question number 3 is, how did Jobs manage to bring back Apple? Question number 4, why was he called a visionary? And the question number 5 is, why did Jobs feel that Wi-Fi connection was needed in laptops? Okay, dear students, I think all of you will prepare this question. This is all for today. Okay, thank you. Stay home and be safe. We'll meet again in our next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.